Hello. Hi. Hi.
Hello, teacher.
Yes, okay. Are you ready?
Set picture.
Good job. Thank you. What's your name?
My name is Batman.
Correct. Okay. Batman, how are you?
I'm fine. Thank you.
Good job. Yes, okay. Let's start. Now, let's stand up, okay? Stand up, please. Come. Okay, so you're going to circle. Now, Batman, where is the watch? Watch. Yes, what is it?
What?
Thank you. Where is the box? What is that?
Hot.
Where is the soap? Good job. What is it?
So.
Okay. Where is the van? What is it?
Van.
Yes. Where is the sun? What is this?
Sun.
Where is the yo-yo? Correct. What is this?
Yo-yo.
Okay, how about up? What is that?
Up.
Thank you. Now what is this?
Umbrella.
Very good. Okay, next. Okay, now where is the fox? Good job. What is this?
Hot.
Where is the zoo? Yes. Very good. What is this?
You.
Okay. Where is the zebra? That's correct. What is that?
Zipper.
Okay, now what is this?
Shield.
Good job. Thank you. Okay. Next. Batman, what is this?
Yo.
Correct. Very good. Okay. Now, here. Where is the vet? Who is this?
Vet.
Very good. Now, who is this?
Teacher.
Good job. Thank you. Okay. Thank you, Batman. Goodbye.
Teacher.